Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unpackaging or unboxing and review of the AIORIA case for the Google Pixel 5 that I purchased on AliExpress. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so after a while I am ready to unpackage and review this case that I purchased on AliExpress. It's less than £3 sterling, that's less than $5, and it does take a while to get delivered with free delivery all the way from China, but it's an interesting case because it has silicone sides, it has a hard plastic lining, and it has a material, a cloth back. And it's not a really soft material, this is more of a sort of harsh canvas, but it feels nice to hold. And I do like this new generation of cloth cases, these material cases. So I'm going to take my Google Pixel 5 and insert it in the phone, buttons first. The Google Pixel 5 is a great device. I am using it as my main smartphone. It's the one with my phone number for all the number-related services such as WhatsApp and so forth. And as you can see, the case fits quite well. Now, on the bottom right of it, there's a bit of detail. There's the embossed brand, AIORIA, which is from the AIORIA factory store on AliExpress. The fingerprint scanner is pretty centered in the middle here, and the camera cutout seems decent. So as far as the back's concerned, that's all good. At the top, we have a cutout for the microphone. At the bottom, we have a cutout for the USB Type-C, charging and data port, and the speaker grills. There is also a lanyard set of holes at the bottom, and the volume and power buttons. Now, as you can see, power button seems to work fine. I'm going to unlock my phone and we'll just have a look at the volume rocker. Now, it's responsive, there's no stickiness. Volume up and volume down work fine, so that's great. It's all as expected. Now, the silicone sides are soft, they're not very slippery, which is good, and they don't, the case itself doesn't cover any of the visible screen on the Google Pixel 5, which is great. So that's what you would expect, nothing wrong there. And on the back, there is a bit of depth on the back, so that plastic underneath and then the cloth on top give the back of the phone a bit of depth, which is good for two reasons. So when you're feeling for the fingerprint scanner, it's really easy to get to it. It's very, very good there. And then there's also another thing, which to me personally is very important. There's a nice bit of clearance at the side for that camera module. If you put the phone down on its back, you're less likely to damage or scratch your camera module. That camera module housing the Google Pixel camera, which is really one of the key features of the smartphone. So I have to say, overall, for less than £3 sterling, currently £2.62, I think this is a great value for money case for the Google Pixel 5. We'll put a link in the description for where you can purchase this case on AliExpress. I think it's time to wrap up this quick review and unboxing, or unboxing and review of the AIORIA case for the Google Pixel 5. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you'd like to ask any further questions or you'd like to have any clarifications, just drop a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.